Hello my beautiful viewers. Today we're gonna make edible fruit bouquet. It will be really good gift and also it's gonna be good for any occasion that you have. So we're gonna use these fruits and I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful bouquet. So I'm gonna tell you you can get any fruits that you would like, but here I'm gonna use some bananas. You can use one bananas or two. I'm gonna use two of them. I have two oranges here, one cantaloupe, and that's my favorite, pineapple. And also we need sponges. You can use any sponge that you have at home, the one we are using for washing dishes. So I'm gonna show it to you how we're gonna use those. I have some semi-sweet chocolates chip and I have some white chocolate. Here are some cutters I have. We're gonna make some shapes. I love this heart shape and I have this one. I'm gonna do it. And we need some kind of pot. You can use any pot that you would like, but I'm gonna use this flower pot here and I'm gonna show it to you how we're gonna arrange the fruits here. So let's begin our wonderful recipe and let's start it. Right, so now we're gonna set up our pot by putting sponges inside. So we're gonna show you how. You can use as many sponges that you would like. It depends how big pot that you have. Since my pot is like a medium, not that really tiny, so I'm gonna use like 3 of them. I'm gonna use the other one as well. Smiley face, it should be look like this. And now we're gonna cut our fruits. So that's my chocolate chips and I just add a little bit oil as you see, and I'm gonna heat it up just for 15 seconds. Okay, so now I'm gonna put again for 15 seconds. As you can see, it's melted, but I need to make sure that it won't burn. So I'm gonna put back again for 15 seconds. All right, so total I did a minute, but the way I do it, I just do 15 seconds. I did like 4 times 15 seconds, and now you can see this. So looks so yummy. So it depends what kind of settings you guys have for your microwave. but my suggestion is that whenever you warm it up your chocolate, just do it 15 seconds, so that's how you won't burn your chocolate. So now simply I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put my strawberry on the top, and after the chocolate we can just simply do it like this. So let me show it to you one. Let's see. So I'm gonna pull this one in. I'm gonna take all the leaves so the chocolate won't be on the leaves, because the green color looks really good with the chocolate, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. So the next part is this. You can just dip it. So yummy. Okay, let's see, let me show it to you, just a moment. Look at that. How beautiful and yummy is that? So I'm gonna do all my strawberries like this. And it's good for any occasion. I hope you like this video. Look at that, it's so beautiful. You can see this chocolate strawberry, the heart, and then the flower.